now go fade. We rise like the sun. We no afraid from the hills to the shore. We invade. Rebel heart, a warrior made. Them try feel like we in Babylon cell, but truth now bow, now kiss no spell. The lion roar, you hear it dwell. Wisdom like a river, it a swell. Pick me up Zion, we not retreat. Iron heart beat, it take the heat. Rebel bloodline, it now go fade. We rise like the sun. We no afraid from the hills to the shore. We invade. Rebel heart, a warrior made. Stand up tall, your spirit free. Rebel upon the earth, that we decree. Them say we born fi fight, fi rise, fi shine. A lion roar run deep in the bloodline. Earth a tremble under we rebel feet. Wisdom grow like the roots, them concrete. We not bow, not fall, not flee. The fire in we heart keep we free. Rebel bloodline, it runs so true. Feed the people, feed the struggle. Rebel bloodline, the strength we claim. Through the storm, through the fire we remain. Hey. Rebel bloodline. Them want change the spirit, but it can't be bound. We chant them down, make Babylon drown. The stars them whisper, say freedom close. Rebel soul ignite, we burn the ghost. Now make no system silence with voice. Rebel bloodline, we live the choice. Rebel bloodline, it runs so true. Feed the people, feed the struggle. Rebel bloodline, the strength we claim. Through the storm, through the fire we remain. Earth a tremble under we rebel feet. Wisdom grow like the roots, them concrete. We nah bow, nah fall, nah flee. The fire in we heart keep we free. Rebel bloodline, it runs so true. Feed the people, feed the struggle, feed the crew. Rebel bloodline, the strength we claim. Through the storm, through the fire we remain. Them want change the spirit, but it can't be born. We chant them down, make Babylon drown. The stars them whisper, say freedom close. rebel soul ignite, we burn the ghost. Now make no system, silence we vice. Rebel bloodline, we live the choice. Rebel bloodline, it runs so true. For the people, for the struggle, for the crew. Rebel bloodline, the strength we claim. Through the storm, through the fire, we remain. Oh. Rebel bloodline, it runs so true. For the people, for the struggle, for the crew. Rebel bloodline, the strength we claim. Through the storm, through the fire, we remain. Say fire burn the chains that bind in the marrow, rebel bloodline. Roots so deep, them crawl through time. Freedom chime, echo in the shrine. Rebel bloodline, it now go fade. We rise like the sun. We no afraid from the hills to the shore. We invade, rebel art, a warrior made. Them try feel lock we in Babylon cell. But truth now bow, now kiss no spill. The lion roar, you hear it dwell. Wisdom like a river, it as well.